Facing exam is not very tough. I'm telling you it is not tough, but for students it's very tough to appear in the examinations. Before examinations we have a lot of things to do, and those students who are practicing every day, they can perform well. But suppose you are not practicing, you are preparing for examinations on daily basis, when you have very few days left in your hands, what happens is that you take a lot of tensions, and tension is the biggest obstacle to overcome. And whenever there is an examination, you should start working smartly, and smart work pays a lot. Means to look after the basic things. And there is one phrase that I would like to use here, and that is also an acronym, and that is KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. That is the word that I wanted to discuss here with you. So make it simple. Examination, you have 1 hour paper, 1.5 hour paper. In this stipulated time, you are to give your best in the examinations. And mind well, your performance is important while facing tension and stress by doing simple work. Simple work means you need to prepare all the important questions, number one. Number two, start writing important question and answers at homes, and this is how you will have the kind of exercise and revision and repetition of the important questions. Try to solve the previous year's question paper, and this is important thing because some questions are being repeated in exam after exam. Write the question paper of previous year's examination worth the stopwatch. So this is how you can make up your speed, and you will have the kind of an idea that in this 1 hour or 1 hour and 30 minutes you are writing this much. Write down question paper what you can. Whenever you face your examination at exam center, read the question paper twice. And it is not mandatory that you write the first question as first answer. There are 4 questions or five questions. If, say for instance, you know the 5th question very well, so answer 5th question as a first answer of your answer book of that paper. So answering objective question, if you have prepared it well and you are sure, you can write objective questions first. Mind well, your proper knowledge of MCQ, write it first. And try to answer all the MCQs. They have asked to write only 5 MCQs out of 7. Try to answer all the 7 MCQs instead of writing 5. So this will help you in scoring good marks. There is no rule as such that examiners will assess only 5 first answers. All the examiners have to assess all the MCQs which are attempted by the students. So this is important. And when you have written up your answer books, use pencil to highlight those words, underline important words, important signifying words, statements, quotations. So use pencil. If you are not bringing pencil with yourself, you can use black pen or blue pen. This combination makes your paper, enhances the get-up of your paper. And dear friends, impression is very important, and if you have written up with 2 pens, 2 ink pen, then this will attract the examiners in reading as well as giving you the good marks. So don't try to follow sequence if you are not comfortable with it. You can write first question as the first answer, second question as the second answer, but you have confidence in fifth question, write down fifth question first. And if you have confidence in third question, use third question as the first answer. So you can jumble the questions if you don't have any, not having any confidence. So first impression is the last impression, as I said. So time management is important. Solving previous year's question papers are important. Answering the questions as per our confidence, and where you get good scores, answer those questions and give them priority of using first, second and third or fourth and fifth as an answers. And whenever you go to examination, you want to face examination, bring water with you, Xerox copy of your hall ticket and keep it in your two-wheelers. You should have soft copy of hall ticket in your mobile phone. And dear friends, this is important in bringing the confidence. And you should have 2 or 3 pens instead of 1 pen. So bring pen, 2 or 3 pens, pencils, and receipt. So these are the things which are necessary for you to bring along when you want to face an examination. And submit your answer book with diligence. Use stapler, or you can use a thread and fasten it, and make sure that you have do a proper note to that. So totaling your answer book with supplementaries are necessary, and make sure that you have written correct roll number in words and in figures. Best of luck for upcoming examinations. Thank you, friends.